Welcome to this full walkthrough and honest review of Hotels.com, where I take you through everything you need to know before using it to book your next hotel stay. From the moment you land on the site, Hotels.com presents a clean and easy to navigate interface. The homepage immediately invites you to enter your destination, travel dates, and the number of guests. It's fast and responsive, especially on desktop. The mobile version is just as polished, with intuitive swiping and quick filters that help narrow down your choices. Searching for hotels gives you access to a huge database of properties worldwide, from budget motels to five-star resorts. One standout feature is the secret prices tag on certain listings, which gives you a lower rate if you're signed in. However, it's worth mentioning that not all deals are actually better than those on competitor sites. Cross-checking with other platforms is still necessary if you want to be sure you're getting the best rate. Another strength is the filtering system. You can filter by price, star rating, amenities, guest rating, and even distance from landmarks, which is extremely helpful when planning in a city you're not familiar with. That said, sometimes the guest ratings seem inflated. I've noticed that certain low-quality properties still show surprisingly high ratings, so always read the full user reviews before deciding. Hotels.com's loyalty program, One Key, lets you collect stamps for each night you book. After 10 nights, you earn a free night, but there's a catch. The value of that night is the average of your past 10 nights, and you still pay taxes and fees. It's a nice perk if you travel frequently, but not necessarily a game changer for occasional users. There was a time I got stuck between layovers with no hotel and no internet. That's when I first tried Trip.com, and now I carry it with me like a first aid kit. This and many other useful links you can find in the description. One of the biggest annoyances is the way Hotels.com handles cancellation policies. They vary not just by hotel, but by room type. You have to click into the room details to see whether you're getting a refundable or non-refundable rate, and it's easy to overlook that if you're moving quickly. This has led to many users, including myself once, accidentally booking a non-refundable room without realizing it. Customer service is average. There's a 24/7 chat function, but it can be slow and often routes you to a bot unless your issue is particularly specific. Email responses are hit or miss. If your booking goes smoothly, you probably won't need help, but if something goes wrong, like an overbooking or cancellation error, getting a quick resolution isn't guaranteed. Overall, Hotels.com is a reliable platform for booking hotel stays with some decent rewards if you use it often. Just be sure to double-check the fine print, compare prices with other sites, and read reviews carefully. It's a tool that works well when you know how to navigate its quirks. If this review helped you, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel for more honest reviews like this, and leave a comment about your own Hotels.com experience.